Hey, hey, hey. Okay. Traveler's notebook. I've got two more pages, and then I'm finito. Oh my goodness, 3 more pages. Crap. Anyways, what ifs? Yeah, I think I'll do this one. I'm going to bring in this Pretty Pink Studio My Darling frame cuts from the warehouse box that I received, and use it in this. Oh my gosh, what's all over my desk? Oh gosh. Okay, sorry. Anyway, I'm going to use this backing because word stickers and they're tiny, so I think it'll look really cute in the Traveler's notebook. So I do still have all my citrus twists from this month here, and let's just go. Start moving. I didn't know if I wanted to add yikes. Don't know if I want to add pattern paper just yet. You guys like ever stack stuff on top of stuff, and then because I have like a really limited amount of space here, and then I go to, I'm gonna save this for possibly another page. I'll just put that in my little stash. Anyway, go to move something, and then I'm like, oh shoot, look what I just found. Yeah, I think I cut that picture crooked. Or in all reality, I probably just put it on there crooked. Oh no, shoot, I wanted 2 lines. Alright, dork, get it together here, girl. Okay. I just did it again. Are you serious with me? Okay. Rough day at work. Yeah, it's summertime in Georgia. Yes. Crinkled the picture all up. Y'all see that? This is my daughter, by the way. I have no idea what she was dressed up for, but isn't she just adorbs? Totes adorbs. She's so sweet. Okay. Get off your kid already here. Okay, now that's what I was wanting to see. I don't want to use hello. But I was thinking like this. Pattern paper, or do I do it over here? No, I like it on the white, I think. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's add a little bit to the back here. I had, because there's only 20 die cuts in this kit, I plan on just whatever I don't use, I'm going to throw into my little cup over there, and just have it, which will most likely be just maybe a few, oh, look at the tiny ones, a few of these here, frames. Okay, now one there, One there. One here? Too much? Yeah, just think maybe 2, and then maybe I'll bring this yellow one in over here and then do like a cluster. Yeah, like that. I think I'm going to use my art glitter glue because it will go on these little bitty parts. I keep thinking I need to order some more of that, but I still have like quite a bit left, so. Alright, which way did I go? This way? Yeah. Alright, you guys get out the way now. A little bit of glue down there. I can hear movement in the hallway. Sorry if you hear a huge knock on the door in a minute, because it's the same way at work. Nobody ever wants to talk to me until I'm doing something, not necessarily crafting, but if I'm just doing something else, then it's like, oh yeah, I need to talk to you. Do you really? Do you really? Can you email it to me? Put that on the door outside. Ask yourself, is this textable? Yeah. Ooh. Those pinks are kind of blending. Yellow? Yep. Alrighty. Not too bad. And I wanted to use this, but that's a little bit wonky. Ooh. I'll just take that one off. I don't know if they're supposed to come apart. I don't know. I do not know. There we go. Just a little layer there. You know, you gotta use all of it. And no sense in wasting none of it. Okay. Get out of my way. Okay. So, oh gosh, I used most of the frames already. That's cool though. Let's see what we got here. So sweet. I like that one. Ooh, I like that one. I don't know. Oh, sweet, so sweet always would be cute. Okay. Oh, there's 2 there. BU. Oh, I love that one. Oh, always BU. Oh, look at me making sentences. Ooh, my darling. Oh, save on to so sweet, because that's pretty generic, so I could use it just about anywhere. I'm so sorry if you guys hear my fan in the background. I'm pretty sure it's about to die. Legitimately. About to just kaput on us. It just keeps getting louder and louder. Okay, oh, let's get our wording here. Let's make a sentence, Shannon. You can do it. Always be you. Oh, I like that. That's good. Hey, my darling. Oh, and it's my darling. Always be you. Like that. We'll put it right here. Oh, I probably did put it up here with all those extra spaces. Do I add more? Stop. Think about it. I absolutely love these little cameras. I do. Amy Tan, you did it on that one, girlfriend. It's funny because I always see people like they're watching my videos. I know for a fact Amy Tan is not watching my videos. One day. One day. You guys think people actually watch the videos? Like those fancy people really watch videos? I was pretty geeked out when Pink Glitter Scrapper commented on my video. that was pretty awesome. Oh, and Tori did one time too. Yeah, she's pretty cool. I'll pass those. These kind of. Oh, this one's nice. This one? Nope. This one? Nope. I think I'll use these as my sprinklies. Let's check out this. No. Kind of need to keep it flat because I have over embellished at this point. I don't know. Shine? Crap, I forgot to get my medicine. Shoot. Sorry. Just kind of the way my day goes. I think I'm going to use Tiny Little Love right here. You know I'm a ghost stamper. Ooh, you know what? I got stuff on the other side. This is going to be interesting. Love. Oh gosh, I'm sorry guys. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up. Let me check this. Story is bold and brave. No, I don't think that'll work. Okay. Let's accessorize. Okay, I totally added more. Sorry. I added those and this one down here and a few of the hearts. And the smile, and then the border, I think, is what finished it off. I heard you, Miss Jen. I heard you. Do the border, do the border. I got you. I might have went a little overboard. That's what I do. Bye, guys.